America is running out of skilled workers. For every 5 tradespeople who retire, only 2 are stepping up to replace them. The math has been broken for 18 years and nobody's paying attention. Today, I'm telling you what that means and why this might be the biggest career opportunity of your lifetime.
Welcome to Trades Ready, a podcast dedicated to helping you get ready for the trades with Quality Training Center, your trade school in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Welcome back to Trades Ready with Quality Training Center in Las Vegas, owned and operated by contractors. I'm Aaron Clark, and today's episode is one of the most important conversations happening in America right now, and you probably haven't heard it. Let's get into it. The number nobody's talking about, 7.6 million. That's the number of unfilled trades jobs in the United States right now. Plumbers, electricians, HVAC techs, welders, machinists, carpenters, all these trades that keep the country physically functioning. 7.6 million open jobs right now, today. To give you a sense of scale, that's more than the population of most U.S. states. That's about 1 out of every 20 working age adults in America being needed in a trade job that nobody's filling. And it's only getting worse. The 5-2 problem? Mike Rowe, the guy from Dirty Jobs, has been sounding the alarm on this for years. He talks about a number he calls the 5-2 problem. For every 5 skilled tradespeople who retire in America, only 2 new workers are entering the trades to replace them. 5 out, 2 in. That gap has been getting wider for 18 years. Think about what that means. The boomer generation built America's infrastructure. They wired the buildings, installed the HVAC systems, plumbed the houses, welded the bridges. They're retiring now in massive waves, and the generation behind them is way too small to replace them. Every retirement that happens, demand goes up. Every project that gets built, more techs are needed. This is not a temporary trend. This is a structural reality that has been building for 2 decades and is hitting peak crisis right now. Why has this happened? How did America get here? Quick history. Starting in the 80s and 90s, this country made a decision. We told a whole generation that the path to success was a 4-year college degree. We took shop class out of high schools. We treated trade work as a backup plan, a fallback, or something for people who couldn't cut it academically. Mike Rowe has a stat that breaks my heart. 79% of parents push their kids towards college. Only 6% encourage the trades. 6%! Meanwhile, the trades were quietly building the infrastructure that made the white-collar economy possible. The HVAC techs cooling the office buildings, the electricians powering the data centers, the plumbers maintaining the water systems, and the welders building the bridges. And we told those workers their jobs weren't real careers. Now, everybody's looking around and going, how come there aren't enough plumbers? How come the wait list for an electrician is 4 months? Because we spent 40 years convincing kids that those jobs were beneath them. The student debt disaster, and it gets worse. While we were pushing kids into college, the price of college went through the roof. Average cost for a 4-year degree now is over $100,000. Total student debt in America is $1.8 trillion. Trillion with a T. 40 million Americans are paying off student loans for degrees that aren't even getting them jobs anymore. The job market for new college grads is the worst it has been in generations. So, we have an entire generation of young adults drowning in debt for credentials that nobody wants, while the actual high-paying jobs go unfilled because nobody's trained for them. If you had to design a dumber system, you couldn't. What this means for Vegas. Now let's talk about this local, right? What does this national crisis look like in Las Vegas specifically? Well, Vegas is one of the most affected cities in the country. We've got the climate driving constant HVAC demand. We've got the construction boom driving constant electrical demand. We've got the casino infrastructure that needs maintenance teams day and night. We've got a population that just keeps growing. Contractors in this town are not just looking for help, they're desperate. I've had contract owners call me asking if I have any graduates I can send them right now today. No resume needed, just somebody who knows how to hold a wrench. Helix Electrical, the largest non-using electrical contractor in the Vegas Valley, hires graduates straight out of trade schools. They've hired multiple QTC graduates, and they're hiring more HVAC contractors. Yes, air conditioning, Gettle, just cooling, the casino maintenance teams at MGM and Caesars, all of them are hiring all of the time. The market is not just open, it's wide open. Why this is good news for you. Here's where all this turns in from a national problem into a personal opportunity. When supply is way below demand, what happens to price? Goes up. When there aren't enough techs and contractors needing help, what do they have to do? Pay more. Offers better benefits, train people themselves, hire less experienced workers, and bring them up to speed. That's exactly what's happening in Vegas right now. Pay for trade workers has been climbing for the last several years, and it's not slowing down. Companies are offering signing bonuses for experienced techs. They're offering relocation packages. They're investing in training programs. And on the residential side, the labor shortage means customers are paying more for service, which means service companies have bigger budgets to pay their techs, which means the techs who work hard and stay current can be making real money fast. This is the opposite of the white-collar job market. White-collar pay is stagnant or falling. Trade pay is climbing every year because of the math we just talked about. Why is now the moment? Well, some people will hear all this and think, yeah, but the bubble has to pop. The market will normalize. I should wait. No, it won't, and no, you shouldn't. And here's why. The boomers retiring, they keep retiring. That doesn't reverse. The infrastructure being built in Vegas keeps being built. The casino maintenance demand keeps existing. The climate, still hot. And the kids in high school right now, most of them are still being pushed towards college. The pipeline of new tradespeople is not catching up. It's barely keeping pace with the retirements, let alone making up the 18 years of gap we've already built. This is not a bubble. This is the new normal, and it's going to last decades. The window to enter the trades and ride this wave is so wide open right now. 12 weeks to get in, a real career on the other side, a market that wants you, and pay that's going up and not down. If you're young, start now. Don't go take on $100,000 in college debt. 12 weeks of a trade school and you're working. Build your career while your friends are still figuring out their majors. If you're a career changer, there has never been a better time to switch. The market is hungry for adults who show up and want to work. Your existing life experience is an asset, not a liability. If you're laid off from a white-collar job, 12 weeks, just 3 months, that's it. You can be earning again in a career AI can't take from you by the end of this quarter. If you're a parent, start having a different conversation with your kids. The math hasn't changed. The path that worked for our generation is just broken. The trades are not the backup plan anymore. For a lot of kids, they're the smarter primary plan. The skilled labor crisis is a national emergency, but for the people who step into it, it's the biggest opportunity in a generation. If anything you heard today connected with you, here's exactly what to do next. Go to qualitytrainingcenters.com and book a free tour. One step you got to take, and we'll handle the rest. Or give us a call, 702-597-0861. Come see the labs at 3139 Westwood Drive, Las Vegas. Quality Training Centers, the only trade school in Las Vegas owned and operated by contractors, training HVAC and electrical technicians since 1994. We'll see you in the lab.
Thank you for listening to this episode of Trades Ready with Quality Training Center. If you are interested in getting ready for the trades and looking for the right school for you, go to www.qualitytradecenter.com and schedule a tour. Don't forget to share this episode with a friend interested in the trades and subscribe.